Today we'll be installing Steeda's master cylinder to clutch line upgrade kit. Park your car on a flat surface with the emergency brake engaged and place rags around and under the master cylinder, as brake fluid can be corrosive to the paint. Remove the line from the brake master cylinder by pulling it and make sure the rubber gasket is removed from the nipple. Repeat this process on the other end attached to the firewall. It may be necessary to use pliers to pull this end off, as it can be tight. Put the Steeda hose on the firewall end with the clamp in place and squeeze the clamp to tighten. At this point, you may need to trim any excess hose before attaching to the brake master cylinder. With the clamp in place, slide the hose over the nipple and tighten the clamp at the master cylinder. It may be helpful to use pliers because of the lack of room. Top off your brake fluid, pump the brake and clutch to ensure there aren't any leaks, and you're good to go. Thanks for choosing Steeda, where speed matters.